How to save Snapchat photos and videos. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am already on my Snapchat app, so make sure that you are on this page too. So from here you have to go to your settings, so click on the gear from the right top corner, and then you have to scroll down, and at the who can option, at the middle of the page you will see memories under see my location. So click on memories, and then from here you have to click on save button. So here I have selected to memories and camera roll, but if you want your memories to be saved to camera roll only, you can go ahead and check that. Or if you want your photos and videos to be saved just to memories, you can go ahead and click on memories, but I will leave it to memories and camera roll. So now let's go back. And also here at save destinations, we have auto save my story snap. So you can go there, and if you want your story snap to be saved, you just have to check auto save to memories. And if you don't want your story snaps to be saved, you just have to check this option, don't auto save, but I will leave it to auto save to memories. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.